The big box is 3D printer that I kind of always looked into it to get a 3D printer, but I never actually got one because there's lots of tinkering and trying to do stuff on it, which takes lots of work and then weren't as good. But then again, started looking at them, and then I decided to go with the Bambu A1. I did not get the AMS kit combo. I just got this, so that way I'll see if I like it or not, and then you can always buy the AMS kit and print with colors. And if I try to lift it, yeah, we can do that. Yep, we did it. There you go. And I know all the tools come included, so you don't need to bring your own tools for anything, which is really nice. Oh, there is the Bambu Textures PEI plate. Okay, that's good. Oh. The cable, power cord, and this is really nice. The cutouts for everything. There's the snipper, the collar pellets. I did order some filament from them as well, but I think they send different packaging, different shipments for that. So I think it should be coming by the end of next week. And I mean, I never put one of these together, and I think that anybody can put it together. They said the instructions are pretty clear. So we'll go. I'm not opening the collars. Gonna have those there. This goes here. Now. Oh wow, it's heavy. It is really heavy actually. Oh wow. So we'll see if we can assemble it properly. And I was looking at the A1 Mini, but the problem with the A1 Mini, if you start liking it a lot and you wanna do the larger prints, then it becomes a problem. That's why I didn't get the AMS kit. I did not want to spend too much money either to see if I'm gonna like it or not first, right? We'll go through the instructions and try to follow that and see how we end up. Oh, they'll give you a wall clock component kit. And there's the plate, so we'll cut closely around. And there as well. Okay. Oh, it's magnetic, yeah. So try to push it all the way to the edge, and it can't go anymore, and then the magnets take over. And it says unlock the heat bed. That's the screws. I think they're marked in red. So what we'll do is flip it around. There's the screws that are marked in red, and those have to come off. We unlocked the bed, so now I think the whole bed will move. Yep, there it does move. Now housing and printer frame, so I'm gonna cross that out. Housing and printer frame. Oh, and they fixed the issue with the cable. I think it was catching on fire and it could melt. So I think they did a good job. They did the recall, and there's the cable. So it's and it says avoid excessive bending and dragging. And they put a little dimple from plastic there. I'm pretty sure that's to protect it so you can't push it all the way against the wall. Shown. And then the base about 45 degrees. Okay. Why did they put the tape? So the head is there, 45 degrees, so it will slide through, and then you just drop it in place. Voila! Look at that. And cut the zip ties. Okay, zip ties are gone. And then pull the plastic piece out. Okay. Install 10 ST3 23 screws for base housing and the holes highlight. 10 screws we have to install. I think that's this one. Okay, next let's put cover back on. Put cover back on. Okay, cover is back on. Okay, now the cables. So the best is now to take this, and then what we do, oh, it's freaking heavy. It's heavy. Like, okay, it's not gonna fall. Nope. Green goes to green, white goes to white. You push that, it's a USB, you push it in, and then we put the screw back in. So that way it does not move. Right? What I want to show you, this is the Z motor. So that will go through this channel here, go all along, and we'll plug it in the Z motor. That's all. Okay, I just want to point out that that's how I installed it. I did put the tape there. It was over here, so I just switched it to hold the wires there. These are all connected. That's how it looks when it's done. Okay, I'll turn it this way so you guys can see it. Now it's connected. The next one is I flip the monitor. There's a sticker, we won't take that off yet. Push the tool head in the middle of the rail. Like that. Okay, we did that. And then we take one cutter thing. And I think this one just kind of snaps. Like that. Okay. And then you have to it's kind of a long screw. Okay, that's in place. There's only one screw. That's good, we put that there, and then now plug in the power cable. I think we're getting close to the end.